Hello, I'm Michael Lower. This video is a short introduction to the Issues in Property Law elective. The Issues in Property Law elective gives you the opportunity to work on a property law research project of your choice and to work in a structured and supported environment. You'll work in small groups to produce a blog post and to give a presentation of your research. You'll then do an individual research coursework which can build on the work that you did in your groups. The blog post will be of around 1,250 words and the individual coursework will be 3,000 to 4,000 words long. Throughout the course, you'll be fully guided by the teachers. The group blog post will count for 25%, the group presentation will count for 15%, and the individual coursework will count for 60% of the overall mark. In the first week, we'll explain the course and structure and assessment criteria to you. We'll give you some ideas and possible research topics, but you're free to choose your own topic. In weeks 2 and 3, we'll help you to decide on and refine your research topics. We'll look together at some sample blog posts and discuss the characteristics of a good blog post. There'll also be time for you to discuss your project. We'll point you in the right direction, suggesting cases, journal articles, or other resources that might be useful for your research. In weeks 4 to 7, you'll work in groups. There'll be weekly group meetings guided by facilitators. You'll work on your blog post and group presentation. In week 8, we'll come together for a mini conference where you'll present your research. The teachers will give you feedback on that before you submit your group blog post. From weeks 9 to 13, you'll be working individually on your research coursework. Throughout the course teacher will be available to give you feedback. During weeks 9 to 13, you can submit a draft of your coursework for feedback before final submission. So apart from weeks 1 to 3, there are no lectures, and that means that time's freed up for us to be able to give you more individualized attention, both face-to-face and online. The distinctive feature of Issues in Property Law compared to many other courses is its social element, which should make the course a pleasanter learning experience. People who've worked in collaborative groups tell us that they find that other group members often think of ideas that they hadn't considered, and that working in groups help them to clarify their concepts. You can choose your own team members if you like, or we'll help you to choose or form a team. If you do the course, you'll develop your critical thinking, collaborative, presentation, and writing skills. These are all skills that will help you learn to present yourself to employers. You'll develop your ability to think like an expert lawyer because you'll be working on genuine problems using the knowledge sources that an expert lawyer would use. There's an Issues in Property Law blog edited by CUHK teachers and students. You could publish your post on that blog, and that's something you could then show to potential future employers. If you've got any inquiries, please contact me, Michael Lower, on michael.lower@cuhk.edu.hk, and I hope very much that you'll consider joining the elective. I'm looking forward to seeing you in class.